right, a common mistake that happens a lot of times with students is the finishing part of the sweep. So let's start over again. Stiff arm, good. Post your right, post your left elbow, sit up, move your hip back, and get your knee on the pocket, get your other leg in position, block the elbow, shoulder on the ground, crunch, punch, sweep both legs. Now stop. Stay, pull your chest close to his chest, and head on the ground, and knee on the ground. All right, good job. One more time. Let's do it. Stiff arm, stiff arm. Try to put your weight forward. You got to keep that stiff arm strong. Very good. Start swimming with your elbow flat on the ground. Let go. Swim your way back and put your foot on the ground and sit up. Good. Keep moving back. Stop. Knee on the pocket. Block the elbow. Shoulder down. Punch. Sweep with both legs. Chest close to the guy. And perfect. Nailed.